We started using Compass about 12 months ago. Here's our story so far. Online ordering is our bread and butter. DPE holds the master franchise rights for 12 countries. I used to get a question all the time: who owns this service, or who can fix this for me? If you're working on a production incident and you know it's related to a particular area of your solution, but you're trying to track down the relevance of some obscure feature written years ago by someone who doesn't work at the company anymore, it creates unnecessary noise, and ultimately it's costing you time and money when really you want your engineers to be focusing on the issue at hand. We knew we needed to start reducing cognitive load on devs. At the same time, we wanted to lock in implementation patterns so that we've had this new team fleshing out automated pipelines, tacking on quality gates, making improvements to our release steps along the way. With that in mind, at Dominos, we set out to look at what value we could get with an IDP. Compass is helping conversations on measuring things that matter. All in all, I'd say Compass is helping us at Dominos when the IT department focus on quality. It's an essential cog in our overall process improvements, helping us deliver faster for the business.